Hi guys, welcome back to FriYaaaa. So you know what today is. It is Friday and it is time for us to give an update for our 6-week one room challenge, and it is hosted by Wani over at Wani's house. So guys, of course you know I am working on the room behind me. It is my guys room, and I will leave it up in the icons what the room looked like before. So I have been working in their room, and I'm going to show you one area that kind of like it's together. We have put up 2 pieces so far, and I'm going to show you another piece of where I'm working on their wall. So guys, this is what I have been working on this side. And if you remember, I will show you what I had over here. This piece is a piece that my dad gifted them. So my son put it together, and that is what is going on here. Because it didn't have to do really no painting, I decided to do something a little bit different. So this is what this side is looking like right now. So this is a piece that we did put together. So now here, of course, you know, I said I wanted this wall black. So I started playing, and I ordered this wallpaper, and it was dirt cheap, but the downfall, guys, it was not enough. So I decided to try something else, which the order should be here today. I am still under budget, guys, still under budget. So this is what I am working on right now. So I will be taking all of this off, and this wall will still be. The next thing, guys, of course, you know what was here. So, of course, you can see this television is higher. So, you already know we've been working. So, this now is their television entertainment center. They have their PS5 here, the remotes, the Wi-Fi. So, now, and you wouldn't believe, when I do my haul and I tell y'all how much we pay for this, you will choke. Okay, so guys, this is what I have been working on. It's the wall above me. So of course, all of that got to come down. I have something else that I will be picking up out of the mail today. So yeah, guys, this is so far what I have accomplished in their bedroom. So next week is the haul, which it is 2 pieces that you've seen some things. I've been playing with that wall over there, and I've been playing here, which I think that is doing okay right now. So what I will be doing, guys, is coming back to you on next week. So come back next week, because next week is the haul. So this is what everything is looking like so far. The only other thing I have to do definitely is try to find a plant. I have been struggling through some of my paints, because my goal was not to buy any paint. I had so much paint. So I do have some black paint. So I am going to be using one item they already had in here. I will be using that item to redo. So I don't have to spend any more money, because I told you this mama is trying to save some coins. Okay, so so far I am loving the little change. The reason why I decided to show you this, because I did not pay for it and my boys did not pay for it. When I told my dad that what I was going to be doing, he wanted to gift them some things. So that was one of the gifts that he gave them. So this is giving you like a little sneak peek of some things that been going on, because I didn't have all the paint work and all of that stuff. So that kind of like made it a little bit easier for me, because I didn't have to do the paint. So it was more so of trying to build things, putting things together, seeing exactly from my vision board to try to find some things that I wanted that was in my vision board. So my vision is definitely coming about. My vision is coming about. Oh, the other thing is, you did see where I have hung black curtains, and there are the curtains. So I did hang black curtains. They decided to keep their lamp. So let me turn the video around so you can really see it. Black curtains. that I did find. They decided to keep their black lamp, and this is gonna come down. I am not really wasting any money by taking this down because that only cost me a few dollars. So the wallpaper was not a big issue at all. So to do this wall here, I decided I did not want to paint because it's using the kills and the paint, and we have probably another year and a half and we will be selling this house to move. So I did not want to do that. So I want to keep the same paint color and just do something a little bit different of how to get that done. So that will make it easy. This has been the update what I have been doing in my boys' room, and so far, guys, as I can tell you, they are loving it. I am definitely loving it. So I've been playing around with some things that I had, and I'm loving it. I'm really, really loving it. It's looking so masculine, and it's making me want to, after I finish this one, to actually do my daughter's room. So I do believe Auntie Wani has started something. So the only other thing that I wanted to do in this room, but it was not in the budget, and I did not want to buy pre-owned because that is messing with electrical, was their light in their ceiling. The light in their ceiling. I did want to change this to a very masculine type ceiling fan for the room, but that was going to be out of the budget because the ceiling fan that I saw, I wanted, that ceiling fan was $169. So that was killing my budget. So that was a huge no. This is wrapping it up for our 6-week one-room challenge. Yes. So guys, if you have not seen my other videos, please look down in the description. The other 2 videos, so we have 6 weeks. So at the end, which is next month, will be the reveal. I am just like super excited to put everything in place, to look at their beds and everything. So guys, you know what I'm going to tell you. Please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. And you know what I always say at the end, I got to go, but I will be back. And until the next time, guys, bye.